Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.